welcome to another episode of the Daily Chronicles. I'm Zanzi. We don't have time to waste. With no further ado,
ene le mpontshitse gore lena as ma South Africa le na le tšhelete like di-30 ranta tse kana le tla le di-line ko di-McDonald le di kry-a ka di-30 ranta ka mara kgwediso gore se na selo so
kusitsho ingqondo ngathi sithanda ukonakala
yaba
iyami
yini yona kuso yini
iyachaja kakhulu overcharge
eyabhethi zoshitshoka
hayi la eMaritzburg
ene couple yo ba le ngwana wa apara necklace ya dinawa a ga se khawantshe e batile batho bao
nara bereka chale with the work with the job with the grind wa ntlhaloganya nara bereka tshwanetse ntse dingwe yana ba reke maitali a sephatlo la sephatlo
And this thing of the uncles were eating the food, the children's food. The uncles were eating the yogurts and then the lunch boxes. Wabaras. Wabaras. Leave the food of the children to the children, as I believe. Wow.
Sure.
Tell the buy some first.
Now R1 love is.
Why is try like I'm in? Why is try like I'm so show?
No udla.
Ukudla kwayizolo. Nginjaya kini mina ungayidla yini wena lento le? Usijwayela amasela la uhamba.
Dilo tse di tshotso sa dikena, dilo tse dingwe wa sheba fela wa thula. Nna taba le ratao. Tsotso.
no thoma bula kereke le nna ke ba bubutle le nna ke go bona re ba utlwa eng mara e msere go tla bola motho yo le pedilela a bolaya lela yo la ke motho o nna
sengicabangile I was 2 years old when I found out ukuthi anginabangani kahle because as umngani wami how can you not see in my eyes ukuthi ngidinga imali how can you not feel the absence of my happiness in the air just because ngidinga imali why ungaveli uthi mngani wami bamba na imali I feel everything like as umngani wami how can you not feel my heart pumping so low just because it needs money like how dare you
Hola. Lisa. Sure.
These days between us uyahlanya uyichipi kanje ngifuna ukusala utuyo phela mina ekasi
Chumara mizi mara president man. Ker body count ta boy. Agara kan dua stay city.
Nala masepa.
Awara ka.
Ker man sharp. Ke man ngata maka stand number 7.
Nina ditiba.
Ker da boy.
Di luka la. Let kirla ye na mo. Maranga na mo. Ashu level le mo fasi.
Ya tapola.
O fasi tse.
Ya tapola.
Hang.
Ayo
ani. Mo di show di vest. O garle na alla ka di kolong. Shori mbalo go magwinyeng mo la waslen. Kebani. Crash ya. Kontlongele pinki. Crash ya.
Ka mangala tente bana.
Ashu crash ya. Le bella ashu le crash ya hao. Wa go magwinyeng mbalo. Bo. Mata. Ashu le no uri tsere ke. O bana perskete ze spin kwa go go. O uri tsere ke le spin. Ni wala ashu le no velo mo khacha mo. Elele mane. Hai mane. Tio fiori. Nene gora go pin. Aga ni o le na litkile. Na ba se mo na ke mtse ga me.
Amana you start ejo uphelo bore o thoma ganyane
Step by step.
Amasha iphinda futhi lento yakho ukudla ikhekhe nangokhisimusi uvela ulihle kanjeni hayibo eyakungakhuzeki ungalaleli awulaleli nje total wena awulaleli nje kwangempela hawu
hayi kahle omancane
Koko
awu yebo
yo baby khaya bangicoshile ngibatshelile ukuthi ngipreke
angibablame yazi yaba disappoint yong manje uyenza njani
hawu mara sandwa sami
and awuna wifi ne
anginayo
Sho ukuthi asichethi nje namhlanje ayi girl ngcono uhambe uyenze iplan kusese early yazi kuba kusebusuku maye ayi maro nenkinga nawe
Guys, yazi namanje ngisase confused shem. Ngisazibuza ukuthi ama feelings afika njani nisesontweni. Nize nihluleke nokuzibamba nje. Phela nama 2000 awasayenzi lento, yabo. Sebayabhuka, abasaya emahlathini manje mase zenziwa ngabantu abadala. Abo baba bomuzi, abo mama nifundisani ngani? What are you teaching your kids? Hey. Kuningi.
We can do that, of course, my friend. Here it is. I'll open it for you. To just see what's in there.
Wetsi ka go kenya go nwa godens ne. Ona le makhia ka o mong ke hola ntse ke duma o mmitsa ka lebitso. So hawa. Ngas cool. Ka go kenya go mmitsa ka lebitso. E ke feta a re sana ke re ya fikile.
Yeah, Arbon. Clever ke manye no. Ele mawa o tshelletse di sleeping pills ka di 31 tsa December. O ipudutswe ga wena ba Tesla lo ba safe. Ye. Mara tsori ba na le pelo tse snacks sweet.
Hey ntwana.
Boy.
Kunini ngikhalela ugibela lesihlahla?
Serious?
Angincede la ukusigibela.
Azwakala ntwana.
Oza ngapha. Yeah. Boy akusilento oyicabangayo mfana like bengitshele nawo.
Boy bekafuna ukugibela lesihlahla dala yo.
Yeah, like isihlahla yabo. Shoot like long time ago. Boy. Ish.
Boy.
Amanda. I went too.
Mañana no dangerous. When what's over never really. Le carito de linche se sale de sham. Le tauta di phone tsa rena, ka di phone tsa nna re tla re ditse. Mo tshwate ngachi, le ka survive mo o. Let's call sham.
Yo, understand? Hey, Baba.
Get out of the car, Baba.
King, are we level GTA, son? Yeah?
Yeah, I'm talking to you. Gotta get out of the car.
Yazi ukuthi why thina singakhulumisani nabo mamncane?
Why?
Ukuthi nje ngesikhathi ubaba bekashada noma umamncane wabona ukuthi ubaba onemali so bekamfuna naye. So wacela ukusetshisa ubaba ke then umama wa find out.
Hayibo wena?
Hayibo, awuyazi le ndaba?
Angiyazi mina.
Oh, shuthi wena I was next nje. Ayikho into oyazi. Okay, ngizokubona later ngisayibona ama-twins.
Ama-twins?
Ngisho ama-siblings wethu.
Sithu nje. Ukhuluma ngani?
Tabang, sinawo ama-siblings, ayithiwa ama-twins. Awazi le ndaba?
Yo, angiyazi mina le ndaba le.
Tabang, ayikho into oyaziyo phela. Usakhumbula leso sikhathi ubaba bekasebenza eMpumalanga ema-mining?
Ya.
Yes. Ngalesikhathi lesiyana ubaba wamithisa omnye umfazi khona lapho and then bayenza ama-twins. So sinawo ama-siblings.
Hayibo wena? Yo, angiyazi le ndaba. Angiyazi mina, angiyazi le ndaba.
Ngizobona later.
Hey, thobela. Mekwe.
Ikona.
La bot. Macheruni.
Nda.
Yamkomo.
Mamkazi.
Zorbu. Bana. Mokhalabe monna mmaka o dumela monna.
Wahle monna dumela.
Le thotse jang?
Wa re tshutla pile witse.
Le fa le shapo mara?
Wa re shapo.
Go le go ga nna rra.
Le jele pile wena le motho for 6 months o tlhele ratana pile. A o lato ne Friday a re reketse di Ferrero Rocher le wine a o tshwaretse le flowers a bukela ne 5-star hotel. le bonde monate o ntse o dura di-love mo difubeng sa hae sa dikatara. Fruka ma past 5 a re ke na le emergency a tsamaya ka ma 8 o tsobe o poste di-flowers tsele o di tshwere ka letsogo o robale ka ma 10 ho tso o kry-tšhe ntse o di-commentile dire nice couple eng o tlhape ka ma 12 o re wa tsene mo kry-nyala o re wa mo founela o kry-a o blockile o re o mo romela message WhatsApp o kry-a profile picture e disappearile ba blockile utlwe o thata selang ka re o tswela ke ba dimpa mandao pelo e ra skiten jump ditšhomo tsa o di romele di-message di re di-notification tlokeng utlwe nkare wa hafa di go serwane o bokolle ya shima ba rata
ba nna ke nyako ba mamoruti ka gore ba mamoruti o monate a ona gore ko lesong ko dipulong tsa matlapa o ka tlhaela dijo tsa lena di beiwa special ba re tsela ke tsa baruti yo nagana wa itse line ele ngwane
yazi lokhu ngihleli la ngiyacabanga ene mangicabangisisa kahle ngiyakhumbula ukuthi lapha endlini asikaze sahagana yazi
Sorry, Daddy.
Uyamazi uthaka wood.
Njokuba singini ngidla imali ewave.
Pho wedwa
mangisuka la ngiyodla inzipho.
Ah,
mangisuka lapho enkobe. Ngeviki futhi elilandelayo ngiyodla le amadatha ne-airtime.
manje akusekho no drink manje sosheba ngayo ke Heineken ke.
Yabona uyafana nomuntu osikhokhisa imali enzipho.
And love your payment.
Word
Word of the day, Mfundisi. My word of the day is about love, engine, banana oxo.
Wathuka nje.
Before I even get comfortable, if you work at one of these dojiers into guest houses that you want 50 for 3 hours, Mamela, it doesn't matter how many times I've been there. Every time you see me is the first time you see me. Especially if you see this is not the usual girl, this is a new girl. Think, imagine Barry. Dash, you know where your room is. You know where your room is. Which room? I have never been here before. Yes, some provinces. Be professional.
Abesuthu banomoya ophansi ngoba umoya wabo usindwa yingubo.
Matsulu a gana di-taxi wa avoida o bua sekgowa di-officing sa tlwala mpe wena
endoda yabo dikhopha nonga nyoba la i-friction into eyiwayo wena
The more time I spend on this app, the more I realize my parents are spoiled. I just seen a kid nonchalantly admit that she's his fave. And my parents are worried about me coming back home at 7. These kids out there that do serious drugs, they total their parents' cars. It's like, I need to stress them a little bit. Instead of coming back home at 7, I'm gonna come back home at 7:30 type shit. Rebel.
Guys, can I feel or Lilin?
Guys, do you remember the times when your parents were like, there's food at home, and you're like, no, I want McDonald's. Growing up, you'll understand there's food at home, chief. Yeah, hey, it's rough now. It's rough.
Yes, Julius, word of the day? Yes.
O tlo mpetisa ka mosadi ya hao, wait.
Msedi ya dana na kwa difebe man. Tlobola man. Tlobola. Hau.